In today's video, we're going to be working with a composition of transformations, but now including dilations. So we've done it before with the rigid motions, the translations, the reflections, the rotations, but now we're going to include dilations. So they might be getting bigger or smaller. All right, and we're going to use the try button to see how they're being transformed. Now, a little bit different also with these. You're going to notice that they're lettered differently. So we have a polygon A, B, C, D, E onto polygon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. These are all prime symbols. All right. So what a prime symbol means is that this is the transformed figure from here. So this is the pre-image, and this is the transformed figure. All right. So this signifies that after the transformations are being done. So it looks like, first of all, it's getting bigger. All right. So how do I know it's getting bigger? Well, just look at it. And also you take a look and measure this side. Take one of the sides, DC, that you know how to measure. 1, 2, 3 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how does 3 become 6? Well, first of all, it becomes bigger, so it's dilated by a scale factor of 3 to 6. You multiply it by 2. And let's try that and see what happens. Okay, all right, there we go. So it's dilated with scale factor 2. So now it's the same exact size. Now I have to see what kind of transformation to be done. It looks like it's in the complete opposite direction of this one. So it looks like it's rotated 180 degrees, and it doesn't really matter what direction you go. 180 degrees counterclockwise. So it's whenever it's going in the opposite direction, it's rotated 180 degrees. Let's try that. Bam, look at that. Lands on it. You are correct. All right, let's look at another one. All right, here's the prime image. Here's the original image. Again, it's getting bigger. So DE 1, 2, 3 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how does 3 become 6? You multiply it by a scale factor of 2. Try it, see what happens. Okay. And now it looks like this is being slid because this has a little corner up here. So this D moves up here. So it looks like it slides up, because if it flipped up, it would be up here. All right, it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So translation up 7. Let's try that. Nope. One more. We got to go up 8. And there we go. Bam. Correct. Submit. Okay. Here's the pre-image. Here's my prime image. It gets bigger. AB, right, becomes, so 3 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 to 9 means it's dilated by a scale factor of 3 times 3 is 9. So let's try that. And then it looks like it's being flipped. It's flipped over the x-axis, reflected over the x-axis. And bada bam, beautiful. All right, I want to try one that gets smaller. Here we go, perfect timing. One that gets smaller. All right, DC, right? And this is the prime, the pre-image and the prime image. All right, DC is 3. DC here is 1. All right, so from 3 to 1, again, you take the transformed image and you divide it by this. So you would do 1 divided by 3. That's your scale factor. Okay, you can't reduce 1/3. So the scale factor, when you dilated it, is 1/3 instead of 3, because it's getting smaller. So let's try that. Yep. And then it looks like it's being flipped over the y-axis, excuse me. Reflection over the y-axis. So let's try that. Boom. And it flips. Beautiful. Okay. So a lot of this, again, is using the try button and seeing how it's being used when you're doing these composition transformations. I actually want to do one with a rotation of 90 degrees somehow. That Sorry, that was Sonic calling me. All right. Yeah, this one right here. This looks good. No, that one's not look good. There we go. Here it is. All right. Let's see. All right. BC goes up one, right one. Does BC go up one, right one here? Yeah, it does. All right. So it looks like this one, and does it say the same size? Yeah, this says the same size. So it looks like it's rotated, and then you're rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise. See what happens when you do that. Okay. Not too much. I didn't want to do that. Let's try, instead of 90 degrees, let's try 270. That's 90 degrees in the other direction. There we go. Rotate it 270 degrees or 90 degrees the other direction, does that. And it looks like it slides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by a translation right 6 units. Bada, boom, beautiful. All right. So I just wanted to show you with the rotation one that had that as well. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And always remember, when you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.